Now, uh, some animals which we can discuss. So at first our camel, and then rattlesnake, sand lizard, and jerabil. Mean desert rat. Jerabil is type of desert rat. So at first, camel. Camel is also known as the sheep of desert. You all know, because they can go long distance without having any water. But when they found any water sources, they can take gallons of water at a time. So here, what are the feature of camel? Camel can take gallons of water at a time. How? Because their RBC, in their blood, the RBC are not circular like us. They are elliptical. So they can store water in each RBC also. Our RBC, if we consume water at a time, much water, then our RBC can take up the water and burst out. But in camel, as the RBC are elliptical, they can store water and become globular, and not they do not burst out. So this gives camel the capability to store water in their blood and not in their stomach. That's how they can take gallons of water at a time, and they do not need any water for several days. Next, the camel have very rough skin. So a rough dry skin and covered with hair. So the body water cannot transpire with any sweating. The opening like eye, ear, nose, nostrils are covered with thick hair, so that sand cannot enter into the eye and nostrils of camel. And their limbs, mean their legs, are also very long, so that the heat of the sand cannot reach so quickly to the body. So they are very at the height of from the sand. So these are the feature of camel which make them capable to survive in desert harsh condition. Next one is rattlesnake. You all know the rattlesnake. The rattle name is because of the uh, end of the tail area make the sound of rattling. And these are main desert snake. They are very poisonous, and they breathe on the sand like they are flying. I mean, they are very speedy, and they actually uh, predate when it's night, but sometimes they can be seen in daytime also. So they not walk like this, they creep like this. I mean, they are just some body part are in touch of the ground. So rattlesnake. In next one is uh, desert lizard. So desert lizard are different from the home lizard. In home lizard, the skin are very delicate, but in desert lizard, the skin is very dry and rough and very full of spines. And they are also nocturnal. They predate at the night time. They live in the hole in the sand, so that the heat they can avoid at the daytime. Next one is jerabil or kangaroo rat. These rats are also very different from our home rat. These rats covered with many, much hair, and their limbs are also longer. They are very much speed, and they are nocturnal also. They live in the hole in the sand. So these are the main animals which well adapted in the desert condition. The main feature of plant in the desert, when they reduces leaf size or they modify the leaf into spine, and their roots deep down. They store water and food in the stem, and in cactus the stem become green to photosynthesis to do photosynthesis. And in animal, they are nocturnal, when they roam around or they predate in the night time. They, their limbs are long and they can go estivation. What is estivation? In winter, like hibernation, like polar bear, in very much winter they go to long sleep without eating and without any physiological processes, like without excretion and without eating. Similarly, to avoid extreme heat, many animals go to estivation, mean summer sleep, without eating and without